Erokamano ahinya Sharon Ongao. Kamachielo, okinde mag gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza okwedo weche ma itudo godo gavana no, kendo manyocha omiyo MCAs mag kaunti ma Meru othiche oko e apis tielo mar adek. Od bura mar Senate dhi nyime gi yalo dwach MCAs madwaro ni Mwangaza ogole apis. MCAs wacho ni notiyo marach gi teko mar apis mare, tiyo marach gi omenda kod ketho chike manie katiba.
You're being called upon for the third time to interrogate the ability of Governor Kawira to ensure that there is effective service delivery of services to the people and the residents of Meru County. Accountability, honorable members, is a measure of leadership. Accountability is the ability of an individual to be held to account for our actions. It's not a call for interrogating the weakness of an individual, but the ability of that individual to execute her constitutional mandates.
The County Assembly has created a lie, told the lie, repeated the lie so many times that it started sounding like the truth. They actually went ahead and believed that lie, and they want everyone else in this room and the entire country to believe in this lie. And when we look at them in the eye and tell them it's a lie, they get bitter. They get mad. They accuse senators of being bribed. They accuse the governor because they want us to believe a lie, because they have themselves created a lie and believed in a lie.